Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best one socket is probably one of the most versatile and essential components in modern electronics, enabling seamless connectivity and power distribution for a vast array of devices, from simple household appliances to complex industrial machinery, making it a critical element for anyone looking to build, repair, or upgrade their electronic systems. Number 5. TAKAGI 6-foot Nylon Braided Lightning Cable 3-pack. Introducing the TAKAGI iPhone charger, built with a strong nylon braided jacket for a longer lifespan. Its integrated molding process makes it more durable than standard cords. Enjoy the convenience of our 6-foot extra-long cable. It frees you from being stuck near a wall socket, making it ideal for use at home, in your car, or at the office. Experience faster charging times with our quality copper wire. It ensures your devices charge more quickly than with most standard cables. This cable offers great performance, allowing your devices to sync and charge at up to 480 megabits per second simultaneously. It also delivers up to 2.1 A current for maximum charging efficiency. It works seamlessly with a wide range of Apple devices, including the latest iPhone 14 models and various iPads and iPods. You can rely on it for all your charging and syncing needs. Rest assured with MFi certification, guaranteeing safe and optimal performance for your Apple devices. This ensures a reliable connection every time you plug in. What we like. This cable offers exceptional durability with its strong nylon braiding and a high bend lifespan. If you're tired of flimsy cables that break easily, this is the one for you. Its extra-long 6-foot length provides great freedom of movement while charging, making it ideal for use in bed or on the couch. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The functionality and features of this socket are excellent. It's a reliable product with a solid build. Number 4. QINLIANF 5-outlet extender with 4 USB ports. Tired of limited outlets? This wall-mounted power strip expands a single outlet into 5 AC sockets and 4 USB ports, perfect for any room. With widely spaced outlets, it easily accommodates larger plugs. The secure wall mounting design ensures it stays put, even when you unplug devices. It features 4 USB ports, including a USB-C, that intelligently detect your devices and deliver the optimal charging speed automatically. Protect your valuable electronics with its robust 3-level surge protection circuit, offering reliable defense against power surges. This ETL-certified power strip comes with peace of mind, backed by our friendly customer service and a 12-month warranty. What we like. This is a fantastic solution for anyone with multiple devices needing power. With 5 widely spaced AC outlets and 4 USB ports, it handles all your charging needs in one place. If you're looking to declutter your power strips and protect your electronics from power surges, this is the perfect addition to your home or office. What people say. The 5 outlets and 4 USB ports make it so easy to charge multiple devices at once, and the spaced design works great for larger plugs and adapters. It allows me to have fewer cords and squares around, and I despise all that clutter. It is easy to make your own charging station with this. The 3-sided design is a game changer because it allows me to plug in bulky adapters without blocking the other outlets. Having 4 USB ports right there is super convenient for charging my devices without needing more bricks. Number 3. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing the Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit, designed for the modern traveler. It's your perfect companion for staying connected anywhere in the world. This adapter features multiple ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and a powerful 35W PD USB-C, ensuring all your devices like laptops and phones get the power they need. With plugs for EU, UK, China, AU, and Japan, this adapter is truly universal. It's built to handle voltages from 100-240V AC, making it ideal for international travel. Your valuable electronics are protected with built-in surge protection. The voltage indicator clearly shows if you're using 110V or 220V. Designed by a traveler, it's ultra-compact and lightweight, weighing less than 5 ounces. A travel pouch is included for easy portability. This adapter comes with a 2-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind during your travels. What we like. This adapter is a traveler's dream, offering compatibility with outlets worldwide and multiple charging options. If you frequently travel internationally and need to power your laptop, phone, and camera simultaneously, this compact and surge-protected adapter is an essential companion. Its inclusion of a 35W PD USB-C port ensures fast charging for compatible devices. What people say. The adapter is universal and can be used in many countries, and it has two USB plug-ins plus a cord with USB-C. It has multiple country adapters, is easy to pack, and very durable. Comes in its own travel bag. It has two USB ports and outlets, a micro USB charger on a cable, and two lights showing what voltage is present at the plug-in outlets. The construction is super solid and simple, and it comes with a bag to carry everything. Number 2. TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter 220V to 110V Voltage Converter. Never worry about power outlets again. This universal travel adapter is your perfect companion for international journeys, ensuring all your devices stay charged wherever you go. It features two distinct voltage conversion modes. One is designed for high-power appliances, converting 220V down to 110V. The other is perfect for your electronics, handling a wide range of voltages. With 3 AC sockets and 4 USB ports, including a USB-C, you can power up to 7 devices simultaneously. This means no more waiting and no more choosing which device to charge. Designed to be portable and lightweight, it won't take up much space in your luggage. Plus, advanced safety features protect both you and your devices from overheating and short circuits. Please note that the high-power AC sockets are not suitable for certain appliances like hair dryers. Always check your device's wattage and voltage requirements before plugging it in to ensure safe and optimal performance. From airports to hotels, this adapter is built for convenience. Stay connected and powered up across over 200 countries worldwide with this reliable power solution. What we like. This device is perfect for those traveling to countries with different voltage standards. If you need to power high-wattage appliances like kettles or charge multiple devices like laptops and phones safely, this converter is your go-to. It provides a robust solution for international travel, ensuring your electronics work wherever you go. What people say. Compact and reliable. Easier to pack and keep parts together once you're home. Standard USB and USB-C port, along with the 3 standard US outlet plug-in spots, made this item a very useful travel accessory, powering everything we needed to, from cell phones, to tablets and medical sleep equipment. Seems to fit all European wall plugs and comes with a nice assortment of plug adapters, as well. Fairly long plug-in cord, makes sure you have the needed reach, to get to a wall plug near you. Number 1. Sunex 5692 1-inch drive fractional SAE impact socket set. Introducing the Sunex 5692, a comprehensive 21-piece impact socket set. It covers SAE sizes from 3/4 inch to 2 inches, perfect for 1-inch drive applications. Crafted from premium chrome molybdenum alloy steel, this set offers exceptional strength and durability. It's built to withstand high-torque applications and resist wear. Experience improved fastener engagement with its radius corner design. This feature reduces rounding of bolt heads and minimizes wear on both the socket and fastener. Quickly identify the right size, even in low light. It features both high-visibility laser-etched and permanent stamped markings for easy recognition. This set comes with durable metal rails for secure and organized storage. The industrial-grade black phosphate finish provides superior corrosion resistance and long-lasting protection. Designed for professional impact applications, this set provides comprehensive coverage. It's ready to handle your toughest jobs with confidence. What we like. This is a must-have for any serious mechanic or DIYer working with high-torque applications. If you need a durable and reliable set of impact sockets that can withstand heavy use, this set is built to last. The radius corner design ensures better fastener engagement and reduces wear, making your work more efficient and precise. What people say. This set does. So, it and the price are exactly the reason I bought it. I work a service truck for a living. Working on heavy equipment. So I had to have the oddball sockets from time to time. This set has every size from 3/4 inch all the way to 2. The machining is superb and I bet you'd pay 4x or 5x the cost for a similar set from one of the tool truck companies. Very well made and years of service to rely on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.